The widely covered story of the Black Lives Matter protesters who toppled the notorious statue of Edward Colston. They wheeled it up the road and then dumped it into Bristol Harbour. You've no doubt seen the videos. They were everywhere, and there were hundreds of people involved. But a case of criminal damage was brought against 4 of them, and there are some wonderful names in here. Rhiannon Graham, Milo Ponsford, Jake Skews and Sage Willoughby, no doubt all of them from up the flats. Today a jury found them not guilty of criminal damage. There is quite a lot to unpick here, Eric. This is your first headliner story, and we've thrown you in at the deep end, so good luck. What are your views?
Well, I mean, I just hope with this that the people who are going to be upset with this jury verdict are going to be, you know, looking at the fact that people were happy with the jury verdict in the Kyle Rittenhouse case in the U.S., which I know you guys talked about on this show, and so this is the jury system. They've decided, and that's why, you know, America and Britain are such great countries. It's done and dusted, whether you agree with the verdict or not.
Leo, what are your thoughts?
Well,
very passive-aggressive, by the way. I wasn't quite sure how to react, so I just put it all on to Leo. And I thought, I'll let him deal with that one.
I mean, this sets a precedent. I don't know if the statue should have come down. Like Edward Colston might have been a bad guy. I don't know. I didn't know him that well, to be honest. But everybody in the old days...
go down. I went to school with him.
Yeah, I'm not surprised. You're probably worse than him. But yeah, everybody in the old days was a bad person. They were either like a dandy highwayman or a pirate or something like that. So, I mean, I don't think we can judge people from the old days by the same standards we judge people now. And the jury were told to disregard, I mean, I'm reading this from the paper, disregard the rhetoric about the weight and consequences of their decision and try the case purely on the evidence in front of them and apply the letter of the law. And, I mean, this really sort of sets into precedent that...
And they didn't.
Yeah, well, I mean, I'm not saying that.
Oh, OK.
I'm not saying that, but
that was an upward inflection. It was a question,
well,
not a statement.
I mean, it sets into legal precedent in this country that criminal damage is now legal for whatever reasons. So I'm looking forward to smashing up some Banksies. I never liked his stuff, and he donated to the fund for these posh kids.
I guess there's going to be a lot of arguments about what precedent this sets, and we look forward to viewing these arguments as they unfold and talking about them on Headliners.